Man suspected of setting woman on fire now in police custody. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember just to like, share, subscribe to the channel so you're updated with the latest news report. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police say they have taken into custody the man suspected to have set a woman on fire in Great River, Hanover earlier this week. According to reports on Thursday that the jealous woman's boyfriend was on the run after dosing her with gasoline and then setting her afire on Wednesday. Reports are that the couple, who operate a car wash and bar in Great River, were at the location about 4:30 p.m. when the boyfriend accused the woman of disrespecting him. In a fit of anger, he reportedly dosed her with a flammable substance before setting her ablaze. It is also alleged that he soaked the premises with gasoline before setting it ablaze and then walking away. Residents in close proximity of the bar and car wash went to investigate and rescued the woman from the burning building. However, they looked on helplessly as the building was burned to the ground. The police was later called and rushed the injured woman to the Noel Holmes Hospital, where she was admitted in critical condition. The man, who is said to be from Westmoreland, has been on the run since. However, in an update via Twitter, the police said that the man turned up at hospital in Hanover seeking medical treatment for burns he had received also during the incident. He was subsequently taken into custody by the police. The police are continuing with their investigation. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.